This is the 16th year for Howard County Fire and Rescue Spring Garden and Open House, hosted by Ellicott City Volunteer Fire Department. It takes about 25 to 30 people to put it all together, and we start right after Fire Prevention Day here at Ellicott City where they host our open house, and it takes us about 7 weeks to put it all together. We're running 8 trains this year. Can't tell you the number of houses. There are Department 56 and some Mike's Train House stuff on the layout. We add to it every year. We try to put a lot of animations in it. We also put push buttons around the outer edge for kids to come in and make things happen, whether it's a crossing gate going down or causing the fire engine to come out of the firehouse.